Hey YouTube, I'm guessing you clicked onto this video because you want to learn how to trade and how to learn how to make some Robux with trading and limiteds. So the first thing you need to do when you want to trade is you need to have premium. You see right here next to my name, I have a premium symbol. If you do not know how to get premium, it is down here. It is Roblox's, it's like a Roblox add-on you can get that gives you perks right here. It is $5 a month. You can cancel it, so you only get 1 month. But yes, you have to have this if you want to trade and sell limiteds. So yes, the first thing you need to do is buy this. And if you do not have $5, you can probably just go work around the house and get stuff. And if your parents won't let you get Robux, you should try and convince them, because trading actually helps you learn. It's kind of like stocks, where you try and get deals, make money, sell it for a good price, like figure out when it's going to drop, figure out when it's going to go up, try and make some Robux. This could actually be some real world information that you could learn. So yeah, once you get it, the next thing you would want to do is get limiteds. And there are a couple different ways to do this. And I would suggest, if you want to get the best bang for your buck, because you will only usually, if you are just starting trading, you will probably only have 450 Robux in your account from your premium. So what I would recommend is going to a website called Rollymons, is what a lot of traders use. Okay guys, here's the Rollymons website. A lot of traders, like I said before, will use this. It shows like the values of items and stuff like that. And if you are trying to get limiteds now that you have premium, I would suggest going up here to the deals page right here, and you can click it. It'll look kind of complicated at first, but it's basically showing you what items are cheap. As you see right here, 204 Robux for this, and it sells normally for 334. RAP means recent average price, which is what it usually goes for, and bam, it already sold. So what you want to do is just sit here. I would usually suggest putting it up to 20% to get the best deal, and see you got some right here. So I'm selling for 198. It's already gone, but you got to be quick. So you just got to watch and wait for some good limiteds. I did get a couple good ones, which you will see soon, but yeah. So just wait on here. Right here it says hide deals below 20%. So 20% off is basically what you're getting. And that's moving on to my next thing, which is called the projected items. Up here it'll say known projections. Projections are basically fake items that say they're a certain price when they're not. So if you click show, it'll say projected, and you'll be like, wow, that's a really good deal. Look, normally it sells for 12,000, but it's selling for 4,000 right now. Thing is, if you click on it, if you look, it normally sells over here for around 500, 600, 700, and then bam, sold for 26,000, and then sold for 3,000. That's what a projected item is. Basically inflates the price to make it look like it's worth a lot more. If you look down here, it's selling for 4,000. If it was actually selling averagely for 26,000, it wouldn't be selling for that cheap multiple times. So you always want to watch out for projecteds. You can always just look here and it'll show what a projected item is. But yeah, usually keep that hide so you do not see them. But still, there can be projecteds that the website does not know about. So always right here, that's a good deal. It's already sold, but you can always look. Okay, it's selling for around that price. So yeah, I do not think it's projected. So you can always just look at that. And yeah, I did get some pretty good deals on some items, which I will show you right now. Heather! Heather! Okay guys, as you saw there, that was yesterday from when I'm editing the video. And yeah, I got a pretty good snipe. I was just watching YouTube, glancing over every once in a while, and I saw a new thing out of the corner of my eye. And I looked and I was like, wow, that's a hide demand item. So I immediately clicked on it and then checked. You can see in the video, I checked what it was normally selling for, and it was selling kind of cheap. So I was like, I'll still buy it. And I bought it, and yeah, it was a good deal. I sold it yesterday too. Actually, no. When I woke up this morning, I saw that it sold, and I made back about 80 profit, which is really big. Okay guys, this is the day later and I'm editing the video, and I've realized that I haven't explained poison limiteds yet. And you might think, poison limiteds, what does that mean? Like, you can't have it? Well, technically, yeah. A poison limited is basically a limited from a stolen account, like a hacked account on Roblox, like hacked or scammed. So the hacker will take someone's Roblox account and hack into it or scam them, and then those limiteds are now poisoned because if the person who got hacked contacts Roblox, then Roblox will look at those limiteds like IDs or whatever and be like, wait a minute, whoever has these is probably the scammer. But usually the scammers will try and trade them off for really cheap, so that means they don't have to get banned. And that's why, and an easy way to explain it is called hot potato. Whoever has the limited when Roblox finds out will get banned. So yeah, you always want to be careful. I have some examples that I found of a comped account, like comped means scammed and hacked and stuff like that. So yeah, here's an example. Okay guys, I've just been looking around at deals on Rollymons as I talked about before, and I found a pretty good deal. It's a 20% deal, and if you go down, it's a noob account, and if you right click it, it has 46,000 RAP, and it was made yesterday. And that should be blaying red flags if you guys are a trader, but that basically means this person probably bought limiteds off of a bad site and you can get banned for, or he scammed or hacked someone. So he's probably selling the limited right here. See, it normally sells for 691 Robux and it was selling for 553. So you always want to watch out for people like this. And if you do buy limiteds, you always just want to double check on Rollymons right here. I'll show you. So as you see, his deluxe sword pack right here, see it already sold. And if this person, I'm pretty sure their inventory is not private, so I can search their username on Rollymons here. Just copy and paste. See, he shows up right here, 60,000 value, and he got it yesterday. He had more than it, so he's probably been selling items. So if we go down here, you can click UAD page, and bam, let's check out this person. Yep, look, it looks like they got terminated, or not terminated, looks like they lost a bunch of stuff. Went from 71,000, and then just then on yesterday when that hacker account or scammer alt account got all of this, went down to one item. So he's now the owner. He's probably selling it for cheap, and you always want to watch out because if you do get an item and the person who got hacked or scammed can report Roblox and you can get banned for having that item. So always make sure if you're doing snipes like this, you always want to check the history on Rollymons like I did. Just search the username or search the item, and you can just double check to make sure. So I would have bought it because it was a good deal, but after you double check it like that, you can just find out because it might not be worth the price you could get it. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Episode 2 will be out on Wednesday around 1:30 MST. If you do not know how to check that time, just search it up, your time zone to MST, and it'll convert it, and so that's the time it'll be out. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Episode 2 and 3 will be out later this week. And yeah, that's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have not, like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And yeah, bye.